Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome to Easy English with MJ. I am Teacher Mary Jane and I am so happy you are here. Let's learn English the easy and fun way. In today's lesson, we are going to learn some useful English verbs that you can use in everyday conversations. So get ready, look, listen, and repeat, and let's learn together.
What is a verb? A verb is a doing word or an action word. Read, read. I can read. Kick, kick. I can kick a ball. Swim, swim. I can swim. Run, run. I can run. I run every day. Eat, eat. I can eat. Dance, dance. I can dance. Play, play. We can play basketball. Hit, hit. I can hit the ball. Throw, throw. I can throw the ball. Sleep, sleep. I sleep at night. Laugh, laugh. We laugh together. Pitch, pitch. He can pitch the ball. Search, search. I can search for clues. Jump, jump. I can jump. Float, float. I can float in the air. Catch, catch. I can catch the butterfly.
Fantastic job today. I hope you enjoy learning these English verbs with me today. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice using these verbs in your daily conversations. If you enjoy these lessons, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a new video. Now, it's your turn. Can you make a sentence using one of today's verbs? Write it in the comments and I can't wait to read them. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep shining. I am Teacher Mary Jane and this is Easy English with MJ. See you in the next lesson. Bye.